What's the meaning of branch? Branch. Branch.
Branch. Branch. In general, branch refers to a separate part or division of a larger entity, such as a tree, company, organization, or computer program. In the context of software development, a branch can be used to create a copy of the main codebase, which allows developers to experiment with new features or modifications without disrupting the existing code. Once tested and approved, changes made on a branch can be merged back into the main codebase. This process helps streamline development and prevent changes from conflicting with each other. In short, a branch enables developers to work separately on specific aspects of a project before integrating them into the main codebase.